Damn, he just said the helicopter's on top of the meat spot, bro. Alright, a little pre-pack, gas up. We're about to meet up with the official pack, but you already know we have to frickin' gas her up real quick. Sheesh. Bruh, this weather is like perfect right now, dude.
Tomorrow's supposed to be
yeah, I seen that. Tomorrow's supposed to be rainy. You put Supermoto wheels on?
Yeah.
What happened to the other side? You didn't like it?
No, I'm just swapping.
Just
swapping, dude. That's the bird.
Is that for us, man? The bird already out, dog. Hopefully, like I said, my 150's having some issues starting, so like if it gets, bro, you can see the birds right there.
Already out, the ride hasn't started.
Bro, right?
God,
hey, is the meetup spot that way?
Maybe.
Yeah? Dude, it's so sick, man.
Hey, the helicopter's on top of the meat spot.
Damn, he just said the helicopter's on top of the meat spot, bro. The helicopter we just seen over there.
Let me y'all know.
Oh boy, it might. There was a right there, and I was just flossing out. Hopefully I can put that in here, dog. Dude, like, so if you guys don't know what's going on, we're supposed to be meeting up at the meetup spot where everyone's at, but the helicopter's there, so that's too sketchy right now. My boy Jay Moto, let's go.
Crazy.
Bro, it's already hot and hasn't started.
I know.
All the helicopter.
They probably, bro, they got people splitting up, following other people that split up.
Yeah.
This is rough with another group.
Hey, you with us now, let's go. I said you with us now, bro. Did you go to the meetup spot or no?
No, when I went there, it was shut down.
I was shut down.
I got here probably like 20 minutes ago.
Damn. Well, hey, we're outside. Hey, were they on us or no?
Yeah, they were back behind us. I don't see them no put up. They don't want to fight.
There you go, bro. I'm too scared to turn my bike off, bro. Dude, like, I want to be ready if some shit happens. You need gas?
Yeah, you gave your dollars for it.
You what?
You gave your dollars for it.
No, yeah, good.
Appreciate it.
Of course. So yeah, this is like a garage, but as you can see, I got the 150. I feel like the 150 is about to blow. It's so hard to start.
I mean, honestly, my clutch is gone on this, and I can't even put it in neutral. And the only way I can get it to start
Yeah?
is if I put it in neutral.
Damn, hey, if you see me running on the side of the road, come pick me up. Let's go. We're out here chilling, bro. We got the classic scooter. It's good, bro. You be hitting any wheelies on that thing? Oh, what's over here, bro? gonna jump it? You gonna jump it? No?
Got it.
I'll do it. Is there a guy over there?
Hit it one more time.
Sorry. One more time. The random old dude lives back there. What the? That's crazy.
I think he lived in the trailer.
Yeah, definitely. Let's see a wheelie. A wheelie. Let's go. We're in this little parking lot just effing around. Let's go. We got a little pit bike and a Grom. Woo! Oh, we shot him, dude. How you doing?
Whoa, man.
Good, bro.
I want you to all time.
Thank you for watching. Let's get a little clip.
What's up?
I said, let's get a little clip.
Alright, bet.
Well, on the Honda 125 4-stroke, no 2-stroke. Even got a little light on the back. Okay. Chilling. I wonder, bro. Hey, you scrape it?
Yeah, I mean, I can sometimes.
Bruh, that's sick. Let's go, bro.
I don't want to eat.
No, yeah. You don't gotta do it. You don't gotta do it.
Hey! All the city, put the grass back.
Yeah. I can't even do a donut, bro. I'm catching too much traction.
Dude, my brakes are acting the
Bro, is it loose, the bolt?
Nah, man.
I hear it squeaking, dude.
I just put a brand new rotor and pads on it.
Bruh. This ain't loose? Like
Nah,
the that clamps? That was pretty sick, bro. He just freaking launched off the sidewalk, scraping that DRZ. Woo! That was great, bro. Bro, that was like 10 dude. What the? Dude. Holy